Hello from Farland. Well, I don't have a lot to tell you about this week. I have a new rake that I wanted to show you. It's Caledonian Sleepers. I just have 3 of them so far. Hey, you! What are you doing over there?
Oh, hi Rob. Nothing really. I'm just about to take that home with me as well, because I love that.
Oh, why are you taking my stuff?
I think I might even take this as well, if you don't mind.
Oh.
Because I haven't got one of those. Yeah. Hi everyone.
You're nicking my stuff?
Yeah, it's from a new layout, so I've got to get some more stuff.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Graham Folston, what are you doing here?
Hi. Come to visit you, mate. Just popping in to Denver for a day or so. And so I thought I'd say hi.
Oh, well.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
Everyone say hi to Graham. Hi.
Hello. Right, I'll put these in my bag if you don't mind.
I don't know if I might mind. So while Graham has been here, he's been helping me and showing me the error of my ways. And one thing he was managed to do is get my little 25 acting like it should be. And now it's running beautifully. So Graham, what'd you do to it?
It was basically a cleaning job, Rob. All the contacts here are the feelers for behind the wheel, the pickups, they were just covered in the old grease from the gearbox. So it's just a case of dismantling the bogie, taking the wheel sets out, cleaning behind the wheels and the feelers, and then putting it back again. And that's all there was to it. It was just plain dirty, that was all.
It didn't take you long.
No, what, half an hour, I guess, hour.
I very much appreciate it that you did that, because it runs like a top now. It doesn't skip, stutter, or do any bad things the way it was before.
No. Well, I didn't have anything left over either.
Well, that's always good. It's always best not to have parts left over.
Well, not that I showed you anyway.
So we'll have to pick a rake to put this on.
Right, hi everyone. I'm going to talk a little bit about Rob's layout. The thing is, like most things, when you see them on the video, you only get half the story. When you come to see the layout for real, in real life, it completely changes your whole concept of what the layout is about. And the first thing which hit me was the utter size of it. It's massive, it's huge. You get a kind of a feel for that in the video, but it's not until you see it in real life that you actually then identify exactly how big it is. And considering Rob has only been doing this for about a year and a half, Rob?
This layout?
Yeah. So in a year and a half, he's managed to build all of what you can see here. It's just a phenomenal piece of workmanship, it really is. And it's also a case of that you do see details on the video, but it's not until you're like right in front that you actually appreciate the whole concept and the detailing he's done on it. Along here, for instance, along this platform edge here, there is just so much going on. The lighting in the buildings, and I love these buildings. These are the new Backman ones, aren't they?
Yeah, what was it, a church station or something?
Yeah, and they're bloody gorgeous, they really are, they're lovely. Super detail on that. And he's got like little, I've not seen this on the video before, but a little pile of parcels on here, and that it just goes on and on and on. Wherever you look on the layout, what he's done is just beautifully crafted. And this is the first part over here. You know, I haven't shown anything over there yet. And I love this flower bed here. Again, I've seen that on the video, but it's not until I've seen this in real life I can actually appreciate how well he's done that. It's gorgeous. And we've had trains running round for ages. Not one derailment, nothing. It just is so smooth. And one of the reasons I wanted to come and see Rob's layout, one of the many reasons, is his track work. Because on the new layout, I want to do exactly the same as what Rob has done and not pin the track down and use glue on this foam, which is made by Woodland Scenics. I know Gauge Master do a very similar foam, but I want to go for the Woodland Scenics as Rob's done here. And I think this is probably one of my favourite scenes. Again, on the video, it looks great. In real life, it looks superb. It's just awesome the way. A lot of people don't actually appreciate what Rob is doing here. This is an American guy living in America, building a UK layout. And that is not easy. Yeah, if I tried to build a US layout, I'm sure I'd make a complete and utter cock up of it. But Rob is managing to incorporate things on a UK layout absolutely perfectly. There is absolutely nothing wrong with that street scene. Absolutely nothing. That could be anywhere in the UK. It's beautiful. I say it's probably one of my favourite scenes on the layout altogether. Again, all ballasted around this area. We move around. We've got a row of small cottages just here. So it really is worthwhile going and visiting other people's layouts. A, to get a better impression than what you get just seeing it on the video, but also you get ideas of different methods of working. Oh, yeah.
Did you see that?
I did. Yeah.
The train's on this track coming this way.
Yeah.
It goes over center over there, which raises that.
Yeah.
Lowers it.
Yeah. So not only has Rob got the ordinary lit type signals, he's got a semaphore signal here which is operational.
Oops, didn't have the lights on.
So, you know, it's very, very awe-inspiring for me to see this in real life. Because I can go home now, I should take loads and loads of pictures. I can go home now and incorporate some of these brilliant ideas he's got. I mean, and the other thing which again is noticeable are the super elevated curves Rob's incorporated on two of the tracks. Two of the tracks?
Yeah. Two tracks.
Two tracks have got the super elevation.
Both there and over here.
And apart from one rake of coaches, everything works fine on it. You can see them going around now. And they really do lean. And then over this way we have what you would call it, the canyon section, where you've got the lake up here flowing underneath the bridge down this gorge and into a river going underneath this bridge and coming through here. Okay, so now we're at the farm, and my goodness me, you could stand here for hours just looking at all the different things which are going on in this farm. We've got a little tiny dog, I think, stuck here on the path. We've got a donkey up on the roof. It's just covered in detail. We've got a car up on the road here with the lights on. People in the field. It just goes on and on. And a really lovely touch are the muddy tyre tracks from the tractors in the field here. That really does make it so real. Unbelievable. We've got another donkey here leaning over the fence. Little vegetable plot up the back, gazebo at the back over there, the summer house. It just goes up. Oh, little chickens here with the wire and the chicken on top, sitting on top of the post. Over here, we've got some hikers over by the wall, just deciding which way to go. We've got a little chap reading a map here. So they've probably come over this stile here or about to go over the stile. It's just, oh, that's probably where they've come from. It's a camper van over there. So they've set up camp over there and are now hiking. And there's a guy over there going, it's that way, buddy, towards the signpost. So it's not just plonked down, it's thought out. There's a story there which Rob thought of, and he's gone, okay, they're going to camp there, they're going to be hiking here, and there's going to be another guy showing the way over there. They're not just figures plonked down. Really like that. Really like that. Okay, I think that's about it. So, Rob.
Alright, well, bye from Farland. See you next week, and
Bye.
a big hello to Al in Australia. Bye-bye.
Bye.